These ASMR staircase videos are blowing up right now. This Instagram page is going viral with millions of views in this niche and has hit 8.3, 6.2, and even 23 million views on their videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, join my free community. The link's in the description. Once you're in, hit the GPTs button, open the ASMR staircase generator, and click on the first link. In the GPT, click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if nothing stands out. I'm going to go with number 5. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. So just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's how mine turned out. The texture on every single croissant, the way the staircases look so satisfying to walk on. They're great. So just pick your favorite and click Frame to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Seedance 2.0. Drag your image in as the start frame. Then head back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on. For the mode, choose Normal. Set the output to 9:16, 720p, and 8 seconds, then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.